Ford Mustang is a mark that's been in the world of automobiles since the mid-60s and changed the way we look at cars. The Mustang is one of the most iconic cars of all time, featuring a big V8 engine up front, handsome looks and power to the back, all for around £50,000 today. It's the best-selling sports car of all time, selling over 5 million cars in the United States alone. But now, there's a new one. Enter the Mustang Darkhorse. First impressions matter, right? Well, the Darkhorse doesn't just make an impression, it makes a statement. The bold, sharp design is a visual feast, with lines that scream speed and curves that flirt with danger. The Darkhorse is a head-turner, a street-sculpted masterpiece. The aggressive front grille and hood vents not only add a touch of intimidating aesthetics, but are also fully functional and serve a purpose, a rare commodity in today's sports cars. Now, let's slide into the cockpit. The interior of the Darkhorse is a symphony of comfort, style and driver focus. The leather-trimmed seats don't just cradle you, they embrace you, making every drive a comfortable experience. The dashboard is a high-tech command centre, adorned with an infotainment system that is equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as showing important data such as oil pressure. It's like stepping into the future, but with a timeless Mustang twist. Alright, let's get to the heart of the matter, the engine. The Darkhorse isn't just a pretty face, it's packing a 500 horsepower, 5 litre Coyote V8 powerhouse that's ready to roar. Start the ignition and you can feel the rumble in your bones. The acceleration is just like being shot out of a cannon. It's exhilarating, it's addictive. Darkhorse doesn't just drive, it performs. The handling is precise and responsive, which completely caught me off guard. I was not expecting handling this good from a heavy front-engined muscle car. Corners become opportunities, and straightaways turn into a temple of speed. Now, let's talk about the overall driving experience. The suspension is finely tuned, striking a balance between comfort and performance. The exhaust note is nothing short of music, a deep, throaty roar that echoes your every move. It's a visceral experience, a connection between man and machine that transcends the ordinary. Alright, let's address the practical side of this powerhouse, fuel efficiency. Now, you might expect a car of this much power to guzzle gas like a frat party on a Saturday night, but here's the surprise. The Darkhorse manages to balance the equation. It's able to maintain reasonable fuel consumption for a performance car. You get the thrill of a Mustang without constantly emptying your wallet at the pump. It's a welcome bonus to a already stellar package. In the end, it's for those who crave the thrill of the road, the symphony of a powerful engine and a turn of heads as you cruise by. If you're in the market for a car that's not just transportation but an adventure waiting to happen, the Mustang Darkhorse is your ticket to ride.